Imagine waking up one morning, stepping out of bed, and feeling your legs wobble beneath you. Not because of a late-night workout or a long day on your feet, but because of something as innocent as the fruit bowl sitting on your kitchen counter. Yes, you heard that right. Those sweet, colorful fruits you've been reaching for might be silently sapping the strength from your thighs, weakening your balance, and making every step feel shakier than it should. According to the National Institutes of Health, 1 in 3 adults over 65 is already grappling with sarcopenia, a condition that melts muscle mass away like snow in spring, and groundbreaking. 2025 studies are now pointing to a surprising culprit. Certain fruits that flood your body with sugar, break down joints supporting collagen, and spark inflammation that turns sturdy legs into jelly. This isn't about scaring you off fruit entirely, but about uncovering the hidden ways some of your favorite picks could be undermining your mobility, especially one fruit. Number 3 on our list, that's been scientifically linked to a 3-fold increase in muscle fatigue and calcium loss in aging adults, and it's probably in your kitchen right now. Let's dive into the 7 fruits that might look like health heroes, but could be quietly draining your leg strength. And stick around to the end because I'll share simple swaps and smart tips to keep you walking strong, steady, and independent for years to come. First up is watermelon, that juicy summer staple you've likely enjoyed on a hot day without a second thought. With a glycemic index of 80, higher than white bread, watermelon sends your blood sugar soaring, triggering an insulin spike and a crash that leaves your muscles starved for steady fuel. At over 90% water, it's also low in muscle essential nutrients like magnesium, calcium, and protein, and its high fructose content burdens your liver, especially if you're among the 60% of seniors with mild fatty liver. A 2019 study in Nutrients found that older adults eating high fructose fruits like watermelon had slower walking speeds and weaker grip strength, with inflammation and insulin resistance cutting off energy to their legs. The fix? Found that older adults enjoy watermelon sparingly, pair it with almonds or Greek yogurt to slow sugar absorption, and treat it as a treat, not a daily go-to. Next, let's talk about fruit juice, often marketed as 100% natural, but packing a sneaky punch. Stripped of fiber, juice delivers a glucose bomb that spikes blood sugar faster than your aging body can handle, leading to inflammation and muscle loss. A 2021 study in the Journal of Clinical Fiber, juice delivers a glucose bomb that spikes blood sugar faster than your aging body can handle, leading to inflammation and muscle endocrinology and metabolism, showed seniors who drank juice regularly had 34% higher blood sugar, 22% greater insulin resistance, and 21% faster leg muscle atrophy compared to whole fruit eaters. Liquid sugar also skips your stomach's fullness signals, letting you gulp down the equivalent of 4 oranges without blinking, piling on belly fat that fuels inflammation and weakens posture. Instead, stick to whole fruits with their peels, paired with walnuts or yogurt, or sip fruit-infused water with cucumber or mint for a hydrating, sugar-smart alternative. Now let's peek into your pantry at canned fruit and syrup, those soft, sugary cups labeled light or natural, but loaded with high fructose corn syrup. These fiberless mush bombs spike insulin, destroy joint collagen, and inflame muscles, with a 2020 nutrient study linking them to a 38% higher risk of mobility issues in seniors. The canning process also zaps vital nutrients like vitamin C and potassium, leaving your legs undernourished and your joints achy. Skip the syrupy stuff and choose fresh or frozen fruits with no added sugar, always checking labels for hidden sweeteners. Moving on, raisins might seem like a wholesome snack, but these tiny sugar bombs pack over 25 grams of sugar per handful, with almost no fiber to slow absorption. This glucose-fructose combo spikes blood sugar, and raisins' advanced glycation end products, AGs, stiffen joints and inflame muscles, per a Journal of Gerontology study showing weaker leg strength and slower walking in seniors with high sugar spikes. Worse, additives like sulfites can irritate sensitive stomachs, amplifying inflammation. Swap raisins for fresh apple slices with almond butter, or a few frozen berries for sweetness, with less sugar shock. Next, pineapple, the tropical darling, hides a fructose overload that strains your liver, especially if you're among the 60% of seniors with fatty liver. A diabetes care study found a 2.5 times higher risk of lower body frailty in seniors eating high fructose fruits like pineapple, with its medium-high glycemic index of 60 damaging blood vessels and nerves, leading to numbness and instability. Opt for lower sugar papaya or pear-firm pineapple with Greek yogurt to blunt the sugar hit. Then there's mango, especially when overripe and syrupy, packing over 45 grams of sugar per cup, more than a soda. Its fructose fuels glycation, hardening collagen and slowing muscle response. With a 2021 Frontiers in Endocrinology study showing a 32% drop in leg muscle density in seniors eating high fructose fruits. Choose firmer mangoes in small portions with flax seeds or walnuts to stabilize sugar. Finally, bananas, the poster child of healthy snacks, can betray you when overripe. Their 14 grams of sugar, mostly glucose and fructose, hit fast with little fiber, causing energy crashes and muscle fatigue. A 2019 Frontiers in Endocrinology study tied high glycemic diets to weaker quadriceps and poorer balance. And excess potassium in bananas can cause cramps in seniors with reduced kidney function. Pick greener bananas and pair them with peanut butter or chia seeds for slower sugar release. The truth is, your body changes after 60. What fueled you at 40 might now weaken you. These fruits aren't villains, but their hidden sugars can quietly erode the muscles and joints that keep you moving. You don't need to ban them. Just choose wisely. Opt for lower sugar, fiber-rich options like berries or apples. Always pair with protein or fat, and keep portions small. Every steady step you take is a victory, and with a little awareness, you can protect your legs, your balance, and your independence. Drop a comment below. Which fruit surprised you most, or which will you cut back? Your legs carry you through life's adventures, and after 60, every steady step is a triumph worth protecting. The fruits we've uncovered, watermelon, juice, canned fruit, raisins, pineapple, mango, and bananas, may seem like healthy allies, but their hidden sugars can quietly erode muscle strength, stiffen joints, and steal your balance. Sarcopenia affects 1 in 3 seniors, and 2025 studies show these fruits can accelerate that loss by spiking blood sugar, fueling inflammation, and damaging collagen. But knowledge is power. You don't need to fear fruit. Just choose smarter. Swap high-sugar options for berries or apples, pair them with protein like yogurt or nuts, and keep portions small to stabilize energy and protect your legs. These simple shifts can slow muscle loss, boost mobility, and lower fall risk, keeping you independent and vibrant. You stabilize energy and protect your legs. These simple shifts can slow muscle loss, boost mobility, and lower fall risk, keeping you independent. Your body may change with age, but your strength doesn't have to fade. Share in the comments which fruit you'll rethink, and subscribe to Health After 60 for more science-backed tips to thrive. Let's treat our legs with the care they deserve, because every step forward is a victory. Stay strong, stay steady, and keep shining smarter every day.